Hey, I'm making this video just to kind of highlight a problem that I'm having here. This is just some sample test data that I have, and this is my tool that I'm running. Um, so for this table, what I wanted to have was a on this side to have selectable layers, and then the attributes that belong to that layer would be choices from drop-down lists right next to it. But I guess that's not a feature in the version of ArcGIS that I have. So I'm using this workaround solution where you can choose first the layer, and you'll notice this one is disabled right here. But here we'll choose the target layer, which will go here onto the table. So uh, this is just letting me pick the points from my map. So first let's go with pylon. Okay, it's going to add that here, and then this gets disabled, which I want, and then this gets enabled, and we can choose from here the attributes that belong to that layer. So we'll go ahead and pick one. Okay, and then you'll notice that right now the value is still there, which only happens with that value, which I don't know why that is, because here we'll choose any other one. We'll choose this one, and we'll choose this guy, and so now it's no longer still there. So then from here we can select which value from the table we want to remove. So like if we want to remove this one, we just click on that, and then it removes it from the table, and then this gets blanked out. And we can go again, we can just say all, it'll delete all of them. But now here's an interesting thing. If I look back here on this target layer, um, the ones that I had selected before are no longer selectable. And I think that's because, okay, I picked this one here. It's going to add it to the table, and then it tries to delete it from this value. But in deleting it from this value, it also makes it unselectable from this value. So, I'll come here, I'll pick something else. This will be selectable again. And now there's nothing I can select. I want to still be able to select all those old values. And the point in my code where this is happening is like, okay, so it's here. So, I'm trying to set this. So this is this parameter um, right here, and I'm just selecting it to none in order to blank it out after because otherwise it would still be there. But and then this whole loop would still run because it has a value. So I want to know how can I fix this to where I can blank it out and I can still select it. And also for this one, for target attribute, I had to turn that into a GP string um, right here, target attribute selector. So I had to turn this into a GP string as opposed to a field, whereas it's actually a field value, but for some reason I can't make a filter dot list equals and then put the names of the fields. I have to make those as strings. So I'm just wondering if there's a way to make this into a field parameter um, instead of a string. So thanks if you can help me out. Good luck.